We were staying here in Isabel too at the northern side of the island, as you can see, and we did our activities towards the southern side, which is marked. We stayed at the Bravo Beach Hotel where it was around like $120 a night and really good service, amazing owner. Would definitely recommend that. For the activities, we went with Blackbeard Sports for snorkeling and kayaking. I've added the link for that in our description below.
Now we are at Tres Palmitas Kayaking Tour. Me and Sarah. We are in Vieques.
Hiking was around $75 per person, and I think snorkeling is around $50 per person. Got one of the best guides available there. He was a local there. His name was JJ. So definitely, if you guys get a chance, ask for him. He was super knowledgeable about the locations, and I think his father actually worked in the US military. He knew all the places within this island. So definitely, if you go there, you should go with him.
This is beauty.
With the mangrove. This tree, as I told you, is in danger of extinction. It's the red mangrove. Okay. So we can touch it. The people cut it to make the entrance. Inside it was like natural, but here it was like lost. So they cut a little bit. So you can use it, struggle a little bit, gentle, softly push. You can use your hand, your paddle. You can get it close to the tree. You can see this like mangrove crab. They're like sea crabs. Can you see them?
Yeah.
They're everywhere. You can see there's oysters on the...
Huh?
On the biobay, there's one inlet like this. And you see here is natural. But the entrance there, they cut it.
Oh, okay.
Make it this way.
Cut it because it was overgrown. And right now it's growing.
You have this on the GoPro?
Yeah. Look. There.
Yeah.
Here.
You see one?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Towards the end of our kayaking trip, JJ, our trainer, was explaining to us the importance of these mangroves which keep the biodiversity here along with the flora and fauna together, and how it is our responsibility to keep the nature as is even after we visit this place. After our kayaking activity, JJ took us to Mosquito Pier, which is on the Caribbean side, where we did snorkeling, and this is one of the best snorkeling sites in Puerto Rico. After our activities, we did make sure to visit some of these hidden gems of Vieques, one being the Playa Negra beach or the Black Sand beach. Do make sure to have your hiking shoes on because it does take 15 to 20 minutes to hike from where you can park your scooter or your golf cart to this beach. Another hidden gem in Vieques is Playa Carcas, where you see these turquoise waters with white sand and very few people there, so definitely a must visit.